from this point on, this ladder looks really tall. But maybe that's because it's running like this. Anyway, this Serie Betonico, you might have known already because we have it as a floor tile Serie. But what we did now was make an exact matching wall together with this floor tile Serie. And as you know, the Serie Betonico is renowned because it's like a concrete, but you see the small pebble stones in the glaze. And the wall tiles we made in 30 by 60 centimeters and 40 by 120 centimeters as a luxury size. But the 30 by 60 centimeters we made in a pressed form with pressed edges as well as rectified, because we have floor tiles in different sizes, 60 by 60 centimeters, and a tile layer may say, okay, I have a project where I use 60 by 60 floor tiles which are rectified with a 1.5 millimeter joint, and I will use the 30 by 60 pressed wall tiles because of the price of tiling. While in another project, people will want to work with the floor tile and work modular with 1.5 millimeter in the wall as well. So then you need to have a wall tile where you can use 1.5 millimeters. For that reason, we made a Betonico wall in 30 by 60, exact the same size in pressed as in rectified. Now, the Serie Betonico has 5 different colors, of which you see 2 different tones of beige here, and we will later show you the other colors. And the nice thing, or what we did here, is we make with the beige color, a nice gray joint, and here a matching light beige grouting as a joint. Nice to combine our tabs or hinges or any kind of additional material which has a decorative color like this brass or copper or golden effect, but you can also match it with today's trendy black matte tabs. So this is one nice feature with decoration we have existing as the floor tile with the small triangles. So on every part you see a little bit darker piece. We have these in all the 5 colors in 120 by 60 centimeters. And then we have other decoration with the wall tiles. I need to show you one piece. This comes in a rectified 30 by 60. And it is like a plastered peeling decoration where it's like old plastered surface and it bladders off like a vintage idea. And as this could have been a matching decoration with 30 by 60, it gets a really minimalistic industrial look. Also available in the other colors. So here we are with the other colors of the Serie Betonico, and what I would like to show you is what is very important if you make an exact matching wall with the floor tile is you have direct light coming from the ceiling on the floor, but you have indirect light touching the wall. So what is very helpful is that we make the exact shade of the wall tile a little bit lighter than the floor, so the floor will look a little bit darker. If you put them next to each other, you would see the difference. But if you show it like this, then I have to do it correct. Then a little bit lighter wall is just what we need in order to make the shade look exactly similar. So this is what we did with a pressed 30 by 60 Betonico wall tile. And this is an example of the other decoration that we make in a pressed 30 by 60 Betonico wall tile. Of course, it comes in all the different colors, but this is the pressed decoration, and in beige I just showed you before the rectified decoration is in this plaster peeling decoration. floor tiles you might have already seen before. This is decoration in 60 by 60 centimeters, where we have this vintage a carpet-like print in the color beige and in a gray tone and in white. The white looks like this. And what we did was we made the color of the darkest floor tile we used as print on a lighter floor tile. And the same we did with the print of beige, where we used the darker color of beige as print made from this floor tile on the lighter floor tile. So that makes the decoration combinable for a wall together with this floor, or for a floor together with this kind of decoration in the same color. So that's everything you need to know about the Serie Betonico, except for the glaze. The glaze is one special thing. Also, this is our newest glaze, like a shark skin surface, the ABS glaze, which makes it an R10 for shoes and a B for bare feet.